On board Crew-8 are NASA astronauts Matthew Dominic, Michael Barrett, and Jeanette Epps, as well as Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Grebenkin, and they are now on their way to the targeted splashdown site just off the coast of Pensacola, Florida. We have our first views inside the Dragon capsule with our Crew-8 members. It seems as though everyone is sitting very comfortably inside their seats as they await their return back to Earth.
Nominal trunk jettison.
Dragon cabins.
All right. Great news there. So not only did we perform the claw separation, but we also jettisoned the trunk, and that call out there was from SpaceX Core, which is located there in SpaceX Mission Control Hawthorne. Those are our operators that are on console monitoring and controlling Dragon. And yeah, so that is a good call out. So next up will be the deorbit burn. This will last 9 minutes long, and everything so far is looking good for splashdown of Crew-8. We can see the crew there keeping tabs on things with the touchscreen displays. Doing a little fist pump there was Commander Matthew Dominic. I think they're excited to come home. Like we mentioned before, this is the longest human spaceflight mission in a Dragon capsule that has been performed so far. So, this is a cool view because we can actually see indications there. The two outward screens show which Draco thrusters are firing. So it's an opportunity for the crew to keep live tabs on what is happening with the thrusters just above their heads.
And we were getting a good view of Matt. Oh, there we are, right on time. A good view of Matt Dominic. He is the commander of Endeavour. This is his first space flight, and I have just so enjoyed seeing the photography that he has been able to capture.
Been incredible.
Yes, if you have not seen it, please do go check out our social media pages, our Flickr account. He really took to the photography during his mission and has captured some just breathtaking, spectacular, marvelous images. I think the only thing that could be better is if I were able to see it with my very own eyes from up there.
Deorbit burn complete. Performance nominal. Nose cone closure initiated.
Dragon cabins.